Welcome to Veteran Exposed Toxins, your go-to educational hub and support network. Battling the VA for veteran jet fuel and other toxic exposure disability benefits. We offer the training resources of our YouTube channel and our www.VeteranExposedToxins.com website with the latest in artificial intelligence through VetBot. The Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, announced that beginning March 5th, all veterans who were exposed to toxins and other hazards while serving in the military will be eligible to enroll directly in VA healthcare without first applying for VA benefits. Following years-long efforts by Senate Veterans Affairs Committee Chairman John Tester to expand toxic-exposed veterans' access to healthcare, veterans with toxic exposure are no longer limited to specific times and places. Senator Tester's full text announcement link is available below. This massive healthcare expansion will finally extend PACT Act VA healthcare benefit eligibility to millions. This is a giant leap to provide coverage for many with toxic exposures, like jet fuel, who were left out in the cold since the PACT Act was enacted in 2022. Video of the VA announcement at VA Secretary Dennis McDonough's monthly press conference on February 26, 2024 follows. At last, this is awesome.
Now, beginning March 5th, we're making millions of veterans eligible for VA healthcare years earlier than called for by the PACT Act. Joining us from Los Angeles this morning, 3 hours earlier there, Dr. Sharif El-Nahal will give you details on this important new VA healthcare eligibility for vets. Sharif, thanks for getting up early out there. Over to you, brother.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you very much, sir. So as the Secretary just said, we are bringing as many veterans as possible into our care because VA is in fact proven to be the best, most affordable healthcare option for veterans in the United States. And that's why, beginning March 5th, we're making new groups of veterans eligible for VA care earlier, years earlier than called for by the PACT Act, as the President already directed in his Veterans Day speech just last year. The three groups are as follows. Number one, veterans who are exposed to toxins or other hazards during their military service. Number two, veterans who were assigned to certain duty stations in Southwest Asia or parts of Africa. And number three, veterans who deployed in support of certain operations after 9/11. Here's what that means for veterans across the country. If you served in Vietnam, the Gulf War, Iraq, or Afghanistan, you can now enroll. If you deployed to any combat zone after 9/11 at all, you can enroll. And if you deployed in support of the global war on terror, you can also enroll. And even if you never deployed, but were exposed to toxins or hazards while training or serving on active duty here at home, by working with chemicals, pesticides, lead, asbestos, certain paints, nuclear weapons, x-rays, and more, you can enroll too. Here's the bottom line. All veterans exposed to toxins and other hazards at home or abroad are eligible to enroll in VA care beginning on March 5th. This is the biggest expansion of VA care eligibility in generations, and we want you to apply as soon as possible. It's quick and easy to enroll. You don't need to be sick or file a claim to become eligible for this care. All you have to do is show that you served in one of these locations or operations, or participated in one of the activities that could have exposed you to toxins or hazards. And even if you don't think you need this care today, you might need it tomorrow, or the next day, or 30 years from now. Remember that when you enroll in VA healthcare, that enrollment means access to care for life, which is why this expansion on March 5th is so important. So please don't miss this opportunity to enroll for VA healthcare. Affordable, excellent healthcare is waiting for you. Go to va.gov/PACT and get the care that you've earned and deserved. And I promise we will do everything in our power to serve you as well as you've served us. Back to you, Mr. Secretary.
Stay connected for more insights, tools, and updates. We will be continuing to use artificial intelligence to develop and improve VetBot and provide additional resources on the website and YouTube as your ally in the march to victory. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive additional tools, updates, notice of new resources, and videos.